Hi everyone, this is Brian. I'm a home and commercial property inspector with National Property Inspections, and today I'm going to demonstrate a quick and easy task that's crucial to the health of your home: changing your furnace's air filter. Changing your air filter on a regular basis is key to keeping your system operating at its highest efficiency. Changing your filter also helps prevent any damage and keeps the air in your home clean and healthy. You'll need to change your air filter once every 1 to 3 months. In seasons of heavier usage, like winter, it's best to change the filter once per month. During periods where you're using your system more moderately, like fall or spring, you can go closer to 3 months at a time. How often you need to change it will also depend on the type of filter you choose. Some need to be changed more or less often. So just be sure to read your packaging. First, you'll want to shut your furnace off completely. Look for a service disconnect next to the furnace or turn off the thermostat. Then, locate and open the access panel on your system. You may see the blower fan and motor, and beside it, you should be able to locate your old filter. In some cases, the filter access is in a compartment underneath, inside, or next to the furnace. Once located, go ahead and pull that old filter out. Then make sure you check out your new filter. You're looking for a couple arrows that will be printed on the side. Those arrows tell you the direction that air is going to flow, and they should be pointing towards the interior of the furnace. Go ahead and slide in your filter, then close your access panel up, and don't forget to turn your furnace back on. And that's it. Anyone can do it, even if you've never DIY'd anything around the house. Again, this is Brian with National Property Inspections. Thanks for joining us, and don't hesitate to reach out to your NPI inspector. We're your local home experts, and we're always here to get you a full report on the condition of any property. We'll see you next time.